This is my AJ Bell platform where I hold some shares. This was the first platform I set up. Now I have free trade, which I use on my iPhone, and trading 212, which I use on my iPhone. This also has an app that I can use on my iPhone, but I've gone away from AJ Bell for the day-to-day trading because their charges are much higher, but they do have other features which are a benefit. But I'm after to buy some shares in a company called B P Marsh.This. They are connected to the insurance industry. I have checked on trading 212 and free trade, and they're not listed on there, but they are listed on my AJ Bell site. I'm going to realise some cash by selling shares in Dark Group PLC. Now, Dark Group owns Jet2. That's the holiday airline, which has done remarkably well, and at the moment I'm still positive with the value of my holdings, only just, but I don't think regional or any airline is the thing to be invested in at the moment. So I'm going to realise my investment. I know I have to pay a $9.95 dealing charge, which you don't do on the other platforms, and that will actually cost me that $9.95. I can't take it out of the profit because there's no profit there. So I will sell the full shares, and with that cash I'll invest in B P Marsh, which I'll discuss with you a little further. I'll discuss with you later. So today the stock exchange is closed at the moment. It's currently 8:30 a.m. I will send an order in, and that will be executed tomorrow. So I'm going to submit order. Well, this is what I've done. It's Dark Group. That's a limit order. Sell quantity 72. That's my full shareholding. The limit price will be $6.85. The price at the moment is $6.93. The expiry date is tomorrow. Consideration is $493.20. The dealing charge will be $9.95, and I will get $483.25. And then I'll invest in B P Marsh.This. So submit order. Quote not found. Close. What does that mean? Goodness me. I better just check out. Expiry date, limit, sell. I'll come back in a second, but that's what I'm going to do in principle. I don't think there'll be any problems, but I'll come back to you in the morning once I've sold these shares, and then we can invest in B P Marsh&Partners. Until then, I bid you goodbye.